Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a handy trick that will save you time and help you clean up your Facebook profile by deleting multiple posts all at once. It's a straightforward process and we will guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, log in into your Facebook account on your device. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or name to access your Facebook profile. Now find the post you want to delete. Scroll down to your profile until you see the section of posts. Select Manage Post. This will take you to view all of your posts. To select multiple posts for deletion, click on the checkbox next to each post you wanted to remove. After selecting your post, click Next in the top right corner. Review your selection and click Next again to confirm. Finally, click Delete Post to remove all the selected posts from your Facebook profile. Hit that Delete Post button. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted multiple Facebook posts all at once, making it easier to manage your profile and privacy. This is a fantastic way to clean up your timeline and keep your Facebook profile organized. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.